I'm lab scientist Chooks Niger, and today I'm going to be talking about blood group, its relevance in hemolytic transfusion reaction and hemolytic disease of the newborn. Every individual has blood cells, and these blood cells contain the A or the B antigen. Others contain both, and others contain none. Now we also have the ROH, the rhesus classification of blood group. The rhesus factor can be present in some individuals and may also be absent in other individuals. According to the ABO classification of blood group, we have 8 types of blood group. We have the blood group O, ROHD positive individuals. This is because the blood group O, they lack the A and B antigens, but they possess the ROHD factor, the rhesus factor. We have the blood group O, ROHD negative. O because they lack the A and B antigens, and they also lack the rhesus factor, so they're ROHD negative. We have the AROHD positive, the AROHD negative. AROHD negative because they have just A antigen on their blood cells, and they lack the rhesus factors on their blood cells. We have the BROHD positive, BROHD negative. We have the ABROHD positive and the ABROHD negative. Now, for individuals that have just the A antigens, they also possess the antibody A. They also possess antibody B. For individuals that have just the B antigens, they also possess antibody A. For individuals that have both antigen A and antigen B, they lack antibody A, antibody B. Excuse me. And for individuals that lack antigen A and lack antigen B, they have both antibodies A and B. Now, as against the cliche conception that universal donors are O positive individuals, I'd like to quickly disabuse our mind from that. The actual universal donors are ORHD negative. This is because they can give to all individuals that lack rhesus factors and also possess the rhesus factors, as against the ORHD positive that can only give blood or donate blood to recipients that have only that possess the rhesus factors. Okay, O positive individuals cannot give to individuals that lack rhesus factors, so they cannot be universal donors. So actually, the ideal thing is universal donors are ORHD negative. I hope I've been able to buttress that point. Universal recipients are so called because they can actually receive blood from any donors, from any individual. Now, universal recipients are ABROHD negative. This is because they have the A and the B antigens and they have no antibodies. Okay, hemolytic transfusion reaction usually occurs when there's, in the case of an incompatible blood transfusion, okay, where the recipient receives a different blood type other than his own, okay, and this is occasioned by production of antibodies by the recipient, which now clumps with the donor's blood and now brings about severe discomfort, telltale symptoms like muscle aches, febrile reaction, and even hematuria, jaundice, and the likes of them all. Now, talking about hemolytic disease of the newborn, it can actually be caused by 2 types: the ABO incompatibility and the rhesus incompatibility. Now, for rhesus incompatibility, it doesn't affect the first child or the first fetus, but only affects the second and subsequent children. Okay, rhesus incompatibility, how does it happen? I'm going to give you a case study. Now, a father that is rhesus positive, that has the rhesus the D antigen, with a mother that lacks the D antigen, having a fetus that possesses the D antigen. Now, if these fetal cells cross via the placenta into maternal circulation, it elicits the production of antibodies, okay, in the maternal circulation. And now, by the second conception, this maternal circulation, when crossing back into fetal circulation, now causes severe hemolysis, okay, and this brings about hydrops fetalis, okay, and it can actually be occasioned by stillbirth, miscarriages, and the likes of them all. Okay, now the importance of